In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Excel as PDF without cutting off data. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Excel on your desktop and then open the workbook that contains the data you want to export. Once your workbook is loaded, click File in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click Print in the left sidebar. Now look over at the Preview pane on the right side. You'll notice that the last few columns of your table are being cut off and pushed onto page 2. That's exactly the issue we're going to fix. Click the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the worksheet. Now we'll select the data range you want included in the PDF. Click on cell A1, which is the top left corner of your table. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus End on your keyboard. This shortcut selects everything from A1 all the way down to the last used cell in your sheet. You should now see the entire table from A1 through M16 highlighted in blue, confirming that the full range is selected. Next, we'll set the print area. Click the Page Layout tab in the top ribbon. Inside the Page Setup group, click Print Area. From the dropdown that appears, click Set Print Area. You'll see a thin dashed border outlining the selected range. That dashed line tells Excel to export only these cells when creating the PDF. Now we'll change the page orientation to Landscape. Stay on the Page Layout tab and click Orientation inside the Page Setup group. From the dropdown, choose Landscape. Switching to Landscape gives wide tables more horizontal room before Excel has to scale them down to fit. The next step is to fit all your columns onto one page. Still on the Page Layout tab, look toward the middle of the ribbon and find the Scale to Fit group. Click the Width dropdown. From the list of options, select One Page. Leave the Height dropdown set to Automatic. This way, long tables can still flow onto extra pages vertically without getting squashed or distorted. Now it's time to export the workbook as a PDF. Click File in the top left corner of the screen. In the left sidebar, click Export. Then click Create PDF or XPS document. On the right side of the screen, click the Create PDF or XPS button. The Save dialog will open. Choose your desktop as the save location and type a file name. For this example, type Sales Report into the file name field. Take your time entering the name so it's spelled the way you want it. Before saving, click Options at the bottom of the Save dialog. A new window will pop up with publishing settings. Make sure Active Sheet is selected. Then check the Ignore Print Areas option and confirm that it is unchecked. Leaving this box unchecked is what tells Excel to honor the print area you set earlier, which keeps the export limited to the cells you selected. Once you've confirmed those settings, click OK to close the Options window. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Back in the Save dialog, click Publish. Excel will now export the file and automatically open it in your default PDF viewer. Take a moment to review the result. The PDF should display your full sales table with all 13 columns from order ID through total, fitting neatly on a single landscape page. Nothing should be cut off on the right edge. If you scroll down in the PDF, any extra rows will continue onto page 2 vertically, rather than being chopped off horizontally. And that's the complete process for saving an Excel file as a PDF without losing any of your data along the right side. By selecting your range, setting a clean print area, switching to landscape, and scaling the widths to one page, you give Excel everything it needs to produce a clean, readable PDF every time.